doing a little gardening work. So garden is Gàrraidh. Mower, a big garden. Gàrraidh big, a little one. Down here is Inid, sin manure. Inid, an Inid. To spreading a sìol, spreading the manure, a sìol na hinneadach. You can see the flowers, the fhearainn. These kind are dandelions, biadh-lusan. And you can see how big the heads are on them, which is showing you that the ground is fairly torrach, fertile, productive, torrach. So I hope I get lots of food, lots of biadh-lusan. Biadh is food, biadh-lusan, vegetables. So I hope I get lots of vegetables. I mean, Nova Scotia, Ryan the biadh-lusan asha. Okay, so potato is bhuntàta. And it's an interesting word because when we count potatoes and when we say the potato and the potatoes, it remains just bhuntàta. So that is bhuntàta, the potato. And if you're saying the potatoes, it's still bhuntàta. These things growing out are bachawacan. Same as on the human face. Eyes on a potato are sìol, and what you're cutting them up to is a scallop. Some say scallop. I guess scallopin. And fhearainn dahul ounce-gach scallop. 2 sìol in every scallop. So the thing that I'm doing right now, I am a scallop of bhuntàta. Hun ga, leis an túl, leis a bhachwach, sin un scallop. Agus sìol, ha mi a ríist a scallopug, no a scallopug of bhuntàta, a dahul a sin. Agus sìol a seo, sin scallop ella, cúideach. Agus faci mi sin ha ciú dahul a sin. Good, you can give me dash scallop yesha. Okay, so I made 2 scallopin. I guess I'm scallop of bhuntàta. I'm cutting up seed potatoes. Seed sin sìol. Oh, sure, skian vod, skian ata, skian vidach, skian year, achanel shachok year. Okay, skian vod, ata, year. Okay, and seed is sìol, seed potatoes, bhuntàta sìol. Okay, I guess make sure shaw. After you scallop bhuntàta, you put them out in the sun, facing up, to makes the skin kind of hard, and they'll do better when you plant them that way. So Shaw and Gàrraidh, this is my garden, Gàrraidh. Shaw ood, soil, Shaw an ood. Okay? School me injed a shaw. I spread manure, injed. Vami a school na hinneadach, I was spreading manure, rain me in. Shaw inyo ruawad. Shaw unchinyo ruawad. This is the tiller. I guess be me a ruawad. That's what I'll be doing with it, is a ruawad. I guess could me shaw good reanist. I'm gonna start it. Put it to running. Put me shaw good re. Let's see me back in ruawad. inyo ruawar, seo antinyo ruawar, that's the word. Agus as an Obair-Gàrraidh, seo úd, agus hami a ruawar, a seo. A bhá bhrí a hamrí seo, hami go bad Obair-Gàrraidh, agus an sa chwar bhuntàta, agus show mi guibh na réimi like a seo. I'm going to be working in the garden today. Gàrraidh garden, Obair-Gàrraidh in the garden. I make gopad Obair-Gàrraidh. I'm working in the garden. But right now I'm in the quad bhuntàta. Quad bhuntàta, seo bhuntàta, potato. Potato patch, quad bhuntàta. Agus bhamí ruawar, ruarachud, leis an inyo ruawar. That's what I was doing. Leis an inyo with the inyo ruawar. Bhamí ruawar, no ruarachud. Now I have a spatch. And what do you do with it? I mean, give me a spatchug. Right? Agus digging sin a quirch. Beautiful day to be a gopad Obair-Gàrraidh, working in the garden. Seo an quad bhuntàta, the potato patch. Hanyal drilliche now, there isn't drills. Hanyal drilliche now. I'm calling these fhearainn. Fhearainn. They're not true fhearainn. Fhearainn are known as lazy beds. You can look up those. There was nothing lazy about them, just the same as there was nothing lazy about our people. And a lot of work, a lot more work than what this is. But han úr seo, han tábh seo, ha críag go leabh down, agus hanneal sin chomh so footy sin bóg. This soil, this ground has a lot of clay, so it keeps water, so I'm trying to raise this up. So anyhow, to you anyways, Hishiv, in the rainy Fheanac seo, Fheanac, okay, Fheanac, agus seo, Stjawapan, some say Scawapan, some say Scallopan, haven't had, depending on where you're from. Seo Súlan, agus Súlan. Seo Bachawak, agus Bachawakan. Un Bachawack, da Bachawack, three Bachawakan, Cair Bachawakan, Coid Bachawakan. So, being two Shaw, she is, Rishan Tawaf, be Shaw, a Bachawack, Dosuas. Rishin, Shin a Dosuas, Shin Rishan Tawaf. Putting me on Hami a could have and had. Planting potatoes, I am planting potatoes. Hami a could have and had. Okay, Shin. Shin dietje, agus be bhuntàta ma akum. Good potatoes, bhuntàta ma, be bhuntàta ma akum. Hami Obair-Gàrraidh, I'm in the garden again. Seo Toa. Agus bíú Toacug. A Toacug, Obair-Gàrraidh, Seo Drilla, Rain me sin, agus bí mi a genic quash, seo, sin quash, agus putty me sìol, down the sin, sìol, seed, sin Cuddy Misha sìol and a sin, as a garden. And Shaw sìol, there's seeds, sìol. Agus a da hair sound, two kinds. Okay, so Shaw peas is pesset, you'd say a fesset for the peas. Beans, pánar, you'd say a fánar for the beans. And you can see with these, each of these is called a sìolin. Sìolin, 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 sìolin. Altogether, sìolinin. And if they're beans, they're sìolinin pánarach. And if they're these, they're sìolinin pesserach. So that's one kind of sìol. And the other kind, like Gaelic, very small, is sin, shaw lettuce, sin fhearainn. Fhearainn. Agus a cuireann mar sin, carrots mar sin, agus fhearainn fheard, hayseed. Cuideach a beck mar sin, small like that. So that's fhearainn as opposed to the sìolinin. Agus when you're planting, you're literally putting. So it's you're putting into the ground. A putting is a cud. So I mean a cud sìol, planting seeds, a cud sìol. Once a Obair-Gàrraidh shaw. Tábhaimh sin earth, land, or sin tábhaimh, earth especially. Agus tábhaimh torrach is fertile, productive, rich soil. Torrach. So I'm gonna make a quash, as you can see, for a little ditch, quash, and I'll make quash on each one and plant different things. Give me a cud, Jeffer Rutan. Okay, ounce of Obair-Gàrraidh. Okay, shaw sìol, this is seeds. Biadh-lusan, you probably never guess what that is. Biadh-lusan, beets. Biadh-lusan is beets. Canoe. Nimi quash. Quash, a little ditch. A ditch is a quash. Nimi quash. Agus curimi and sìol. Biadh-lusan. Some say biadh-lusan, some say beetish. Nice to be doing like this. I work. It's nice. I work a bit Gaelic shaw. Nice to be doing this. Okay. Agus an origin be me a cantachug sin, cantachug covering. Cantachug. Like that. Cantachug. Sìol with me. Shaw. Agus could be back in ushka. A lot of little water in that here. Okay. So sin a cud ounce of Obair-Gàrraidh. Ashal. Is fassi. Beetish ashal. Biadh-lusan will grow. Beets will grow. And fassi biadh-lusan ashal. Okay. Sin pánar. A fánar, the beans. I guess what a horse meal, like I said, that's a sìolinin, and they have to go orliach gilé, inch and a half, orliach gilé, shias. I guess da orliach vuchéla. So a sin is da orliach vuchin. Biranakam, I got my biran, and I'm just gonna go. I guess could me sìolin machine, she is orliach gilé, sìolin machine, I guess sin a chantachug, machine, I guess could me back an ushkid sin, I guess sin a fánar. We'll get beans, right? You sin fánar a shop, clever. Sure. uisce, agus uisce, agus seo such uisce, agus Jeannie mi leis seo. Uiscechug, ha mi dáil uiscechug a gári, an gárug, bí mi a guscechug, sin, a guscechug a gári. Yn si úr a seo, a mi a guscechug.